Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. My name is Troy Epperson. I'm with oneononetrading.com. Today's Tuesday, January 23rd, and you can see here that we've got some 10 o'clock number, the Richmond Manufacturing Index right here, and I do expect it to be even less than forecast because the other manufacturing indexes have been lower than expected. So it wouldn't surprise me if this missed as well to the low side. And that is the only piece of news that is relevant today. So moving on, looking at the daily chart, you can see I got this scrunched up just so we can see that there are some highs that we have not conquered yet in the futures from back in 2022. So still not to the all-time highs, whereas the S&P, or the SPX and the Dow and the NASDAQ have been putting in new highs. So where are we at now? Let's sort of come in here, dial in here a little bit. We've broken out of this area of consolidation pretty aggressively. We are on our potentially fourth day up. Remember, the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So we have a three up day. So today could flip around and end up being a down day. That's possible. Or it could be trying to go to the 5 days up. Where could it go? There is a low volume node that's right here. It went right to it, 48.99 yesterday. That's going to be a little bit of resistance, but it could easily get going and go up to 49. I'm going to call that 49.10, or maybe if it really gets going, 49.33. Downside, this area of consolidation, the tops here will end up being support. So 48.36 is probable, as well as we have an older trend line that it could come down to, which is also right about that same area. So those are where we could go. Looking at the inventory yesterday was up, but not substantially, and price action was up too, but not substantially. But these are correlated, so we are not worried about the market interworkings of the market because we are correlated there. Looking at the overnight action, so we have about 14 points or so. So that's really low volatility overnight, low action. And you can see it just broke out here. So we had a really tight range overnight until this morning. It started breaking out a little bit, but that would lead me to believe that we are going to consolidate today and with relatively low volatility and just go sideways. That would be my guess. Where do we have support and resistance? You can see there's a gigantic confluence of stuff around that just under 4,900. So that's a really strong resistance area. Then you have to jump up into the 49, I'm going to say 49.18 area. And if we get running above that, 39, 37, 38. Downside support. Let's move this back open a little bit. There is a lot of support, but some at 48.71, 48.60. I'm going to say around the whole number of 48.50 as well. So those are your support and resistance levels for today. Stock Traders Almanac is bullish, 66.7. That's a huge difference, 66.7. So that's 16.7% above the 50-50 line. That is a big disparity, actually, above the 50% area. So historically, a very bullish day. Again, 66.7. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.